Have you ever felt like she's hiding her true feelings? Well, you're not alone. It can be hard to decipher those subtle cues and signals. But don't worry, because I'm here to help. Today we're uncovering the subtle signs that show she's hiding how much she needs you. We're gonna dive deep into the hearts and minds of women everywhere. Stay tuned because these insights might just change your relationship forever. Sign 1. She can't stop texting you. Picture this. You wake up, grab your phone, and bam! There's a text from her. It's a great way to start your day, right? That little buzz of excitement when you see her name pop up on your screen. Maybe she sends you a funny meme or shares a random thought. It could be something that made her think of you, or just a way to make you smile. Whatever it is, the fact that she's reaching out first thing in the morning speaks volumes. It shows that you're the first person she wants to connect with as her day begins. It means you're on her mind, and she wants to connect with you. This kind of effort is a clear indication of her interest and affection. When someone goes out of their way to initiate contact, it's a clear sign they enjoy your company. They want to share their moments and thoughts with you. It's like saying, hey, you're important to me and I want to share my day with you. This kind of communication builds a deeper connection. If she's constantly reaching out, it means she sees you as someone who brings her joy. Your presence in her life makes a positive impact. So the next time your phone lights up with a message from her, don't just take it for granted. Recognize the effort she's putting in to stay connected. Take a moment to appreciate the gesture. It's these small acts of communication that strengthen your bond. Because in the game of love, a little effort goes a long way. Cherish these moments and let her know you appreciate them. Sign 2. She remembers everything. Let's talk about those little things, those seemingly insignificant details that most people wouldn't even notice, like your favorite coffee order or that obscure movie you quoted last week. If she remembers these things, then my friend, you've got yourself a keeper. When someone pays attention to the little things, it means they're truly present when they're with you. They're not just hearing your words, they're listening with their whole heart. Think about it. Our brains are bombarded with information every single day. So the fact that she remembers these tiny details about you means that you are a high priority in her mind. She values your stories, your preferences, your experiences. So the next time she surprises you by remembering your favorite ice cream flavor, let her know that you appreciate it, because those little gestures add up to something truly special. Sign 3. Busy bee, but always makes time for you. We all lead busy lives, right? Work, errands, social commitments. It's a wonder we ever find time to sleep. But when someone genuinely cares about you, they make time for you, no matter how hectic their schedule might be. They may not always have hours to spare, but they'll find those little pockets of time to connect with you. It's about quality over quantity, people. It's not about the amount of time you spend together. It's about the intention behind it. So the next time she moves mountains to squeeze in a date night, know that it's coming from a place of love. She's choosing you, even when her to-do list is a mile long. Sign 4. Green-eyed monster? Maybe just a little. Let's talk about jealousy, but in a fun, light-hearted way. It's something we've all experienced at some point, and it can actually add a bit of spice to relationships. We've all been there, right? That little pang of envy when your partner talks about someone else. It's that tiny voice in your head that says, hey, what about me? It's natural, it's human, and honestly, it can be kinda cute. In small doses, of course. A little jealousy can remind us how much we care about each other. Now, I'm not talking about the kind of jealousy that leads to arguments or accusations. That kind of jealousy can be toxic and harmful. I'm talking about that playful, I see you checking them out kind of jealousy, the kind that makes you laugh and brings you closer, the kind that makes her raise an eyebrow when you mention a female coworker. It's a playful reminder that she values your attention. A little bit of jealousy can actually be a sign of affection. It shows that she cares deeply about you and your relationship. It means she cares, she's invested, and she doesn't want to share you. It's her way of saying, you're important to me. If it's just a playful little green-eyed monster rearing its head every now and then, well, that's just her way of saying, "You're mine, buddy." Communication is key. If her jealousy feels too real, talk about it openly and honestly. Make sure to address any concerns and reassure each other. Sign 5. She trusts your opinion like no other. You know what's one of the most powerful things you can give someone? Your trust. So when someone trusts you enough to ask for your advice, especially on important matters, it means they value your judgment. Think about it. We all have people in our lives who we go to for advice. These are the people we know have our best interests at heart. So when she comes to you for advice, it means she sees you as that trusted confidant. She's not just looking for a yes man. She wants your honest opinion. She values your opinion and she trusts you to steer her in the right direction. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. Sign 6. She's your mirror image, in a good way. Have you ever noticed how couples start to act alike after being together for a while? They finish each other's sentences. They develop their own little language. There's actually a scientific reason for this phenomenon called mirroring. When we like someone, we tend to mimic their behavior, their body language, and even their speech patterns. If you notice that she's starting to mirror your actions, it's a good sign that she's feeling connected to you. Maybe she starts using your favorite phrases or adopts your habits. These subtle cues might seem insignificant, but they speak volumes about her feelings for you. So the next time you catch her mirroring your actions, don't be afraid to point it out with a playful smile. It's a sweet reminder that you're on the same wavelength. Sign 7. She spills all the tea and her heart. We all have secrets, those little, or big, things we keep hidden away from the world. These secrets can shape who we are and how we interact with others. But when someone trusts you enough to share their deepest fears and wildest dreams, it's a sign that they see you as more than just a casual acquaintance. It's a sign of deep trust and connection. They see you as someone they can confide in, someone who will listen without judgment. This kind of trust is rare and precious. When she opens up to you, she's giving you a piece of herself, a glimpse into her soul. It's a moment of true vulnerability. It's a sign that she feels safe and secure enough with you to be vulnerable. This safety is the foundation of any strong relationship. It's not always easy to be vulnerable, but it's in those moments of raw honesty that true intimacy is born. These moments create a deeper bond. So the next time she opens up to you, listen with your whole heart. Show her that her trust in you is well placed. Because when someone trusts you with their heart, it's a gift and a testament to the special bond you share. Cherish it, nurture it, and let it grow. Sign 8. Your biggest cheerleader, always in your corner. Life is a roller coaster, right? There are ups, downs, twists, and turns. If she's your biggest cheerleader, always in your corner, celebrating your victories and offering a shoulder to cry on during setbacks, it's a sure sign that she's deeply invested in your happiness. When you achieve a goal, big or small, who do you want to tell first? The people who genuinely care about your success. That's what it means to have someone in your corner. It's like having your own personal cheering squad always there to lift you up. So the next time she encourages you to pursue your dreams, know that it's coming from a place of love. She believes in you, even when you don't believe in yourself. Sign 9. Those adorable nervous tricks? Yeah, that's love. You know those butterflies you get in your stomach when you're around someone you like? That flutter of excitement, that nervous energy? Well, guess what? She gets them too. When we're attracted to someone, our bodies go a little haywire. Our heart races, our palms sweat, and we might even become a little clumsy or tongue-tied. If you notice that she fidgets with her hair or blushes when you compliment her, don't mistake it for disinterest. It's her body's way of saying, "Hey, I think you're pretty great, and I'm a little nervous about it." So the next time you catch her blushing or fidgeting, don't tease her too much. Just smile to yourself, knowing that those nervous habits are a testament to the effect you have on her. Sign 10. The future looks bright, with you in it. They say that actions speak louder than words, and when it comes to relationships, there's no truer statement. When she starts talking about the future, and I'm not just talking about next week's dinner plans, but the kind of future that involves vacations and holidays, it's a good sign. We don't usually make future plans with people we don't see a future with. It's those shared dreams, those plans for the future, that solidify a bond. When she starts making future plans with you, it means she sees a future with you. So the next time she mentions that trip she wants to take with you, listen closely. Because in those moments, she's not just talking about a date, she's painting a picture of your future together. And that, my friends, is a beautiful thing. So there you have it. Those are just a few of the subtle signs that she's hiding how much she needs you. Remember, relationships are like delicate dances, full of unspoken cues and subtle gestures. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more relationship insights. And be sure to share this video with your friends who might need a little help deciphering the language of love. Because when you're true to yourself, you attract the love you deserve.